Making money online has never been more accessible than it is today. With the rise of digital entrepreneurship, the possibilities are endless. And 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for online entrepreneurs, with new opportunities and trends emerging every day. So, if you're looking to capitalize on the digital product boom, you're in the right place. Join me as I challenge myself to create and sell these 5 digital products by the end of 2025 and see if I can actually make some money. So many people struggle to find profitable digital products to sell online. They get caught up in the hype and misinformation, and before they know it, they're stuck with a product that's not selling. Maybe you've been there too, spending hours researching, only to end up with a product that doesn't resonate with your audience. It's a frustrating and demotivating experience, to say the least. Another challenge people face is the fear of competition. With so many people selling digital products online, it can be intimidating to try to stand out from the crowd. You might be wondering, how can I possibly compete with all these established brands and sellers? It's a valid concern, but one that can be overcome with the right strategy and mindset. Then there's the issue of saturation. With new digital products emerging every day, it can be hard to keep up with the latest trends and innovations. You might feel like you're constantly playing catch-up, never quite getting ahead of the curve. And that's not to mention the overwhelm of not knowing where to start or which products to focus on. But what if I told you there's a way to cut through the noise and find digital products that are guaranteed to sell? Products that are trending, in demand, and have a proven track record of success. Wouldn't that take the guesswork out of selling online and give you the confidence to succeed? Let's dive into the first product on our list, online courses. 2025 is shaping up to be a huge year for online learning, with more and more people turning to digital courses to upskill and reskill. And the beauty of online courses is that they can be created on just about any topic, from cooking to coding. You can create a course teaching others what you're passionate about and sell it online for passive income. Next up, we have stock photography. With the rise of social media and content marketing, the demand for high-quality stock photos is skyrocketing. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional photographer to create and sell stock photos. You can start by taking photos on your smartphone and editing them using free online tools. The third product on our list is print-on-demand t-shirts. With the resurgence of 90s fashion and the growing trend of sustainable living, print-on-demand t-shirts are selling like hotcakes. And the best part? You don't need to hold any inventory or invest in expensive equipment. You can design your t-shirts using free online tools and sell them through platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Fourth on our list is ebooks and Kindle books. With the rise of audiobooks and digital reading, ebooks are more popular than ever. And the beauty of ebooks is that they can be created on just about any topic, from fiction to nonfiction. You can write an ebook teaching others what you're passionate about and sell it online for passive income. Last but not least, we have digital art and graphics. With the growing trend of online entrepreneurship and social media marketing, the demand for high-quality digital art and graphics is skyrocketing. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional artist to create and sell digital art. You can start by creating simple graphics using free online tools like Canva. Of all the digital products on our list, print-on-demand t-shirts are the clear winner in terms of profitability. With the right design and marketing strategy, it's possible to sell hundreds of t-shirts per month, generating passive income in the thousands. But what really sets print-on-demand t-shirts apart is their versatility. You can design t-shirts for just about any niche or audience, from gamers to dog lovers. And with the rise of social media, promoting your t-shirts has never been easier. I've seen people sell print-on-demand t-shirts for as much as $50 per shirt, and the best part is that you don't need to hold any inventory or invest in expensive equipment. You can design your t-shirts using free online tools and sell them through platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. One of the most successful print-on-demand t-shirt sellers I know is making over $10,000 per month selling t-shirts with funny memes. And the best part? She doesn't need to spend a dime on marketing or advertising. She simply uses social media to promote her t-shirts and engage with her audience. In 2025, the opportunities for selling digital products online are endless. From online courses to print-on-demand t-shirts, the 5 products on our list have the potential to generate serious income. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional entrepreneur or marketer to succeed. You can start by creating and selling one product and gradually scale up to more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below on which digital product you're most excited to sell. And if you want to learn more about digital marketing strategies, be sure to check out my next video.